Hey folks, it's Rudy Owens on January 9, 2025, and I thought I would share just a very short video. This one is going to be a little bit about um, uh, my birth certificate and then some facts that I just learned how my birth certificate that was sent to me by the state of Michigan was actually not the birth certificate that they were ordered to send to me by a court order in 2016. Now, in my book, You Don't Know How Lucky You Are, An Adoptee's Journey Through the American Adoption Experience, I talk about what it was like to be denied my original birth record for nearly a half century and then finally getting that record in 2016. I even published a version of that record with some information out in my book at that time when the book came out in 2018. So what I learned just recently after obtaining additional 2 copies of my original birth certificate only in early November 2024, that the version of the original birth record sent to me in 2016 was actually not the full and complete copy. Turns out the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services cut off information that is actually below where I showed you that picture of the birth certificate. There is additional information. It's about a quarter of the information on the page that has information pertinent for the person in the original vital record information. The information that the state of Michigan Department of Health and Human Services intentionally omitted when they sent me that record upon an order from a court in Michigan was information about my health status at birth, how much I weighed, what was going on with my mother's health at the time of delivery. It also has information whether or not there was any surgical procedures at the time of delivery and whether or not I had any type of deformity like a congenital deformity. So it's fascinating to me that once again I learned that even when I think I have won something with regards to the denial of my right to know who I am, in turn I learned that there was more deception and more dishonesty from the state vital records keepers who did not do what they were supposed to do, which was to send me a complete and original copy of my vital record. As to why these folks in Michigan decided to send me an adulterated version is beyond me, but the general rule holds for those who are adopted. You must expect that people who hold your records as an adoptee are going to lie to you and they will deceive you. And in fact, when we get records that document it, it just proves a point that we've known in our entire lives. You cannot trust these people to assist you in any way. It is the reality of being an adoptee in the year 2025, and it seems nothing has ever changed. Anyway, I hope everyone is off to a good year. Talk to you later. Bye.